how to add video in CapCut. So if you wish to add a video to CapCut, it is very simple to do so. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the CapCut application from your Play Store or App Store. Once you've done that, simply launch the CapCut video editor application. Now CapCut is also available for free, so that is why you are seeing some of the ads which you're being able to find right here. Now you want to come to the Edit tab. Then what you want to do is you want to create a new project, so tap the plus icon. Now when we go to create new project, it will ask us to select the photos and videos, so this is where you want to go. You can simply go to the videos icon from the top left, and from here you can simply choose the video that you'd like to edit in CapCut and hit the add button right here. By tapping the add option, you will be able to add it. Now let's say even after this you want to add another video, that is also absolutely possible by just tapping the plus icon here and again selecting another video and then just hitting the add button, as you can see, and you can merge these two videos, or you can even add on top of the other, and this way you will be able to add video to CapCut. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.